Hello, friends. It's cafecito time, and I have some good news to share with everyone. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel, we are finally over the 200 subscriber mark. So, yay! We are about 220, I believe, and as I promised, I would do a giveaway to say thank you to everyone for supporting the channel when we hit 200 subscribers. So today I'm here just to give you guys some announcements and details about the giveaway. So hope you're ready. Let's take a look at the first. And I just wanted to show off my mug. I actually have a collection of the Starbucks City mugs. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to start using them so the world can enjoy them as much as I do. So the giveaway is as follows. First of all, I have to give the disclaimer. This giveaway is not affiliated with YouTube or any other brand. I am the sole sponsor of this giveaway. The giveaway is being done by me, House of Sid. All liability is on me. There you go, disclaimer. So what I want to do is I want to give one of you lucky subscribers a $50 gift card. And I was thinking, what would be a good prize? And I don't know about you guys, but I love gift cards because it means I have free money to go buy things that I want that I normally wouldn't buy because I might not have the money or I just think it's a bit of a splurge. So this way you don't feel guilty when you shop with a gift card. So I want to give you, one of you, a $50 gift card. And I think I'm going to let you choose the store you want because I was thinking, what would be a good store? And some of the places I've been shopping lately for coffee, accessories, just cute things for my little coffee bar have been Amazon, Bed Bath & Beyond, or Target. So you could choose from one of those three. Amazon, Bed Bath & Beyond, or Target. Some of my faves online. Been doing a lot of online shopping. You could go in store and shop. I know right now they're doing curbside pickup for some of those stores. And of course, Amazon, there's anything, everything you want. So all you have to do to be eligible to win is, I have my little rules right here. So, giveaway rule number 1. You must be subscribed to my channel, House of Sid, and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when new videos come up because it's very important. You got to know when my videos are coming up or uploaded. Number 2, like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me that you are enjoying these videos and you like them. And also it helps our channel grow even more. And number 3, in the comments, answer this question. What is your favorite coffee? Let me know what your favorite coffee is. It could be a brand of coffee. It could be a type of coffee. Are you a cappuccino lover? Latte, macchiato, Americano, you name it. Cold brew, iced coffee. I want to know what your favorite type of coffee is. So that's all you have to do is those 3 things. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure your notifications are on. Also, you want to be notified when I announce the winner. Like this video with a thumbs up and tell me what your favorite coffee is. So between today, July 29th, 2020, until August 7th, 2020, you can enter this giveaway and I will announce one lucky winner on August the 10th. And the only other thing is you must be in the USA. You must be in the United States to be a winner. Right now, I'm not able to do international giveaways, but hopefully that all will change soon. But for now, thank you to the 200 plus subscribers. I want to say thank you. I appreciate you. I am so grateful that you're able to watch my videos and support them. So this is my little thank you to you. $50 gift card to one of those 3 stores that I mentioned. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Also, I'm thinking about doing a bonus. Let's do a bonus entry. If you go follow me on Instagram at House of Sid, you will get a lot more other behind the scenes and fun content there. You will get 1 extra entry. So you could enter here through YouTube or 1 extra entry through the Instagram follow. So that's all you got to do. And hope you are enjoying my videos and cafecito time with me, Veronica from House of Sid. So go ahead and enter that giveaway. And I'm excited to announce the winner. And you know what? I have another idea. I would really, really love to have another giveaway down the line. I would really want to give away an espresso machine to one of you when we hit 1,000. So that's my next goal. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will give away an espresso machine. Yes. So go and smash that button and subscribe. Thanks, everyone. See you soon.